Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy S26 Ultra, and let me share with you how to use lockdown mode. And obviously, lockdown mode is not a new feature. However, I think that it's quite useful, especially in the shared space where you need to leave your device, but you don't want anyone to peek and check the notifications, for example. So now we are on the lock screen, and I just wanted to show you that in the regular mode, let's say, we've got our fingerprint sensor, and the face recognition will also work if it is applied, and we can also swipe and unlock with the pattern pin or password. So let me unlock the device and let me apply the lockdown mode. So let's unroll the upper panel, the control center, and tap on this power icon. Now let's go to lockdown mode, tap on it, and as you can see, our device is again locked. However, the icons right here simply disappeared, which means that no one can check whether we've got any kind of notifications received. Moreover, we cannot unlock the device with the face recognition or fingerprint sensor. As you can see, even though I'm putting my finger on the sensor, there is no reaction, let's say. We need to swipe to unlock. So the only way to unlock our device is with using the pattern pin or password. And obviously, and it will immediately turn off the lock screen. The lockdown mode, because whenever I will lock our screen right now, again we've got the fingerprint sensor. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.